y'all, so in this video I decided to bring you guys along with me as I do a refresh on a client's living room space. So this will give you guys a chance to see something different other than my home. I am excited. It is 7:48 in the morning. This is Saturday, so yeah, I'm early bird. I like to start early, get in, get gone. I plan on possibly being here no longer than 3 hours. It could exceed and it may not be as long, just depending on if there's a lot of things that I need to move out of the space. A lot of shopping we've already done. We started planning this, well, shopping for this space maybe a month in advance, so most of everything I need should already be at my client's home, other than me running to a store maybe to find additional, smaller like accent pieces, maybe for a coffee table or something like that. But we shall see. I'm just gonna bring you guys along for the journey. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will talk to you later. Everything that I have a link for, the credenza, the mirrors, etc., I will link it down in the description box. So I found these sconces on Amazon. I really like them a whole lot because, You do not have to hardwire these, and you also do not have to drill any holes in your walls. They come with like this peel and stick patch. It adheres really, really good. The adhesive is 10 out of 10. I also link these down in the description box. Anything that I have in this video that I have a link to, of course, will be. Stuck around this far, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Brittany, and the name of my channel is B.Nicole Interior Decor. For all of my existing subscribers, so welcome back to another video. Of course, you know your support is what? Greatly, greatly, greatly appreciated. Please stick around for the final reveal. Don't forget to leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you think. If you have family or friends that like videos like this, don't forget to share and also have them subscribe to the channel as well. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Remember to keep God first in all that you do. I'll see you in the next one.